we will show you how to make teriyaki turkey meatballs. Homemade meatballs are made with ground turkey, pan-fried, and coated with sweet and savory teriyaki sauce. These delicious meatballs are perfect for everyday dinners or as elegant appetizers at holiday gatherings. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we mix all the ingredients for the teriyaki sauce: soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, water, and potato starch, and mix well and set aside. Next, we are going to chop an onion finely. We are going to mix this in the meatballs. In a large bowl, combine ground turkey, chopped onion, egg, panko breadcrumbs, and salt. Using a spatula or by hand, mix very well. Scoop a heaping tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a ball. And we are going to repeat this until all the meat mixtures is used. And we are going to pan fry. Heat generous amount of oil in a frying pan and add meatballs and cook until browned on all sides. You can remove some oil using paper towel if you would like. Pour the sauce over the meatballs. Make sure to stir the sauce again to dissolve the starch before pouring. Cook until the sauce thickens, then sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Serve while they are hot. Turkey is not a common meat used in Japanese cooking, but it works really well with teriyaki sauce. These are fantastic as a main dish or as party appetizers. Hope you enjoy!
美味しい。美味しいね。